Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So our next video is regarding sample rules or correlations, examples regarding important log sources for SIEM, which will be discussed. Based on these examples, different rules and correlations can be developed for the relevant sources. So the common rules are a sample rule pool that can be created jointly for log sources such as firewall, operating systems, VPN and VM platform. So rule correlation examples. The number one is failed login attempts. So consecutive failed login attempts in security logs triggered will be when some consecutive failed login attempts are detected, multiple login failures in a workstation. Like this could be a case. Next could be login activity during non-business hours, right? The next could be new user account created, creation of a new user account. Next could be deletion of a user account in security logs. These all are rules correlation. Then for firewall logs that are critical for network security, by analyzing firewall logs, SIEM detects abnormal activities on network traffic, and they can trigger rules to protect the organization against possible threats. So the rule correlation examples could be illegal port scan. So the attempt to access prohibited or unauthorized ports in firewall, right? So when prohibited port access attempts are detected on this from the same IP within a certain period of time, the rule could be triggered, right? Illegal country resources, so traffic from illegal or unknown countries in firewall logs, it is detected within a certain period of time. The next could be critical port accesses. So access to critical ports 33891413315213306, etc. The next could be adding any access rules. So adding values such as source IP address or destination IP address as any in the newly added or edited firewall rule. Next is IPS IDS. These are the systems that help detect and prevent attacks on the network. So SIEM collects and analyzes events detected by IDS IPS and monitors their compliance within the organization security policies. So the rules could be abnormal traffic behavior, right? Over a period of time, critical vulnerabilities attacks. So attack attempts against some known critical vulnerabilities. Next is harmful content downloads. So downloading files containing malwares. WAF is web application secures. So SIEM monitors and protects against web application attacks that are detected by WAFs. Integrating WAF logs with SIEM increases web application security and enables instant detection of attack attempts. It could be SQL injection trials, HQL injection attempts in WAF. Next is XSS attacks, cross-site scripting attacks, CSRF, cross-site request forgery on WAF logs. The next is bot traffic detection. Next, for Windows servers and operating systems from a large part of organization, so SIEM tracks important information such as authentication, file access, and event logs by monitoring Windows logs, and this is necessary to detect potential threats and security breaches. So rule correlation could be log deletion events, new member added to domain admins group in Windows security logs. The next is member deleted from domain admin group, members of domain admins group changed, new member added to enterprise admin groups, member deleted from this, member changed, suspicious account access in Windows security logs, remote access attempts via RDP remote desktop protocol, and attempt to create a user account without permission for Linux servers. We also have different logs, high privilege transactions, unauthorized root access attempts, SSH access monitoring, direct root access, direct login activity with root users. So critical file changes, so changes in critical files triggers if changes are detected in critical files. Next is for network devices, routers, switch, etc. It is use of insecure protocols on network device configurations incompatible with security policies. Critical port is down. Endpoint security files quarantined by antivirus. Threats detected by EDR. Transactions blocked by EPP system, endpoint protection platform. Next, for VPN, we could have anomaly activity after VPN access, suspicious VPN traffic. So detection of certain malware or application signatures within the VPN traffic. Next, for virtual machines platforms, high access authority changes, high access privilege changes on the VM platform. not taking regular backups, so not taking backups, VM deletion of a VM on the VM platform. Next is for VM creation, creating a new VM on the VM platform, vulnerability management, rapid patching of critical weaknesses, monitoring high score weakness. Next, warnings from weakness parties. Next, scanning operations. So these are the sample rules. What logs does SIEM analyze and detect abnormal activities? So on the network, it IDS and IPS. Thank you for watching. Bye.